Okay, this is the tri-field audio visual recorder. What you're looking at is the front of the unit. This is the built-in DVR on and off switch right here. I'll go ahead and power the unit off. Okay, power it back on. This is our 4th channel input, since the camera only has 3 onboard cameras. This below is the hard drive. You can eject it by lifting up on the tab right there and sliding out the hard disk, and you can have it to back up all your information on your computer. And you slide it in, lock it down, and then this yellow LED right here will indicate that it's checking the hard disk or formatting. Now up top we have our static discharge handles, our switch for our screen. I'm going to stand up a little bit. This turns the screen on and off, so you don't kill yourself during investigations by blinding out the entire room. This is an infrared LED for this forward-facing camera. This switch right here turns on that LED as well as the rear-facing LEDs, and I'll do that now. So there's the infrared for the front camera operator. This switch is to turn on the flashlight, integrated flashlight on the rear of the unit, which I'll show you here in a second. These are our custom microphone pods, so microphone for each channel. And this is our 4-inch screen that shows our 2 cameras lined up panoramically, and our camera for our camera operator, and this is our 4th channel input, which is showing a loss right now. I'll turn the unit infrared switch on and turn the unit around. So now what you can see, lift this up, we have our switches for our infrared, and our 180 IR illuminator is now turned on. This center LED is to turn on our flashlight, integrated on there, so you no longer have to carry a flashlight around. Here's our 2 panoramic cameras, one on the right, one on the left. And as I spin the unit, you can see it's covered with a trim ring down here. That's how we can remove the trim ring and access all the internal wiring. We have a battery down here, and the battery comes off as so. Lift it up, and there's our battery mount. I'll set it down like that. So when you first receive the unit, your screen will be off of the pedestal there. So what you want to do, if you look back here, the wire will tuck down underneath, and then you want to insert that stem into there and press down. Just don't push too hard, but enough to where it'll still swivel. And that's pretty much it on the tri-field audio visual recorder. Now if you ever want to work on this, which I don't suggest, I suggest sending it back to me. The trim ring is velcroed on or hot glued, either one, and then the outer plastic ring is stapled to the inner shell, which is on the bottom, and then this whole thing will lift up. Alright, thanks.